So with regards to this tragedy, the Mumbai police has informed that the tragedy at Mankurd has occurred at around 8:30 p.m. yesterday when a neighboring building collapsed onto a hut in the Mandala area. The impact then trapped several people under the debris, and police and emergency teams then rushed to the spot. Rescue operations have been taking place to in fact locate and evacuate those who are still feared trapped. Shweta still with us on the broadcast. Shweta, it's been about 12 hours now since this tragedy took place. Yes, 6 people have lost their lives, but as you pointed out earlier, there are still several other people who are feared trapped under this debris. What response has been and what measures have been taken by the authorities so far to rescue these people, even as rain continues to lash?
At the spot, we understand that the team of NDRF is present, as well as the civic body authority, that is BMC officials are present. With them is the rescue team, and currently the operation of rescuing is underway, because the team present over there, they are not sure if there are any people trapped inside, and we have been seeing that already 6 people have lost their life. And in order to remove the debris from the spot, the operation is still underway. But yes, as we have been pointing out, that this entire structure collapsed after the neighboring structure had fallen down. It came crashing down, and these 2 to 3 shanties also collapsed altogether. This happened around 8:30 p.m. yesterday, and this happened in Jantanagar area of Mankurd, where 6 people have lost their life, 3 were injured. Those who have been shifted to nearby hospital, and their treatment is underway.
All right, Shweta, requesting you to stay on with us. Some further updates on this tragedy. NDRF Assistant Commandant Sarang Kurve has now provided an update on the collapse that has taken place in Mankurd. He has stated that the NDRF received information from the BMC control room at around 9:30 p.m., following which teams from Andheri and Kurla were rushed to the site. He has stated that all 6 victims have been rescued from the debris and their bodies were taken to a nearby hospital, and has added that around 45 NDRF personnel are continuing the rescue operation despite the complex structure and adverse weather conditions. The NDRF says that its teams are well trained and are working to complete the operation. Listen in.
9:30 बजे हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी बीएमसी कंट्रोल रूम के द्वारा, और लगभग 35 मिनट्स के अंदर हमारी एक अंधेरी की टीम आई थी, और अराउंड 20 to 25 मिनट्स में एक हमारी कुर्ला की टीम आ गई थी यहाँ पे। अभी कोई यहाँ पे जख्मी नहीं है। जो भी 6 जो विक्टिम्स बताए गए थे उनको सभी को एक्सट्रीकेट कर लिया गया है और नियर बाय हॉस्पिटल में।
Meanwhile, Mumbai Mayor Ritu Taude, along with Maharashtra Samajwadi Party President Abu Azmi, visited the Shatabdi Hospital to meet the families of the victims of the collapse in Mankurd. This visit comes after a tragic incident in Jantanagar, where 2 to 3 shanties in a ground plus 3 structure collapsed. A total of 6 people have lost their lives, while 1 person sustained injuries in the incident. Shweta Verma still with us on the broadcast. Shweta, Mumbai Mayor Ritu Taude has now visited those who were admitted in the hospital. Of course, families are grieving at this point in time. And this is not the first such incident that has taken place. This is not the first such casualty that has been witnessed as far as the monsoons are concerned. We've been seeing over the course of the last week, there was a small child who lost his life after a tree collapse. Yet another elderly man who was opening his new shop, he also lost his life yesterday, and now this tragedy has occurred. There are people who've fallen into open manholes as well. When will this really stop?
Perhaps, in fact, this is the thing what the civic body BMC should be answering to the people of Mumbai. Whether it is tree falling or the structures crashing down, there are measures that has to be taken in the pre-monsoon preparedness. So the risk tree assessment is one thing. There's another about the dilapidated structures that has been counted and been monitored across Mumbai, and people are also, requested to remove to be out of these structures. That takes place near about 2 months before. The risk assessment takes 1 month before the monsoon hits the city of Mumbai. But clearly, we have been seeing that how BMC has been failing in their job because of the pre-monsoon preparedness was at place or not. This is something has to be questioned over and again to BMC officials. And this time also, yes, rightly you have said that people have been losing their life, and who has to be held accountable in such worst condition. Now BMC mayor is visiting the spot, of course, but this actually doesn't solve the problem. And we have been reporting relentlessly about how BMC has clearly failed to do their jobs, because we have seen since past a week so many people have lost their life, from a 11-year-old school kid to 55-year-old man falling into open manhole just because barricades weren't properly placed, and the open manhole was right there. And even when the areas are waterlogged, it becomes very difficult for people also to understand the next step would they would be taking is landing them into a manhole, or exactly where. So currently, that's right. In fact,